Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm not out riding today. The weather's not great. It's actually kind of, well, what is it outside? 62, so it's not too bad, but it's been raining. It's supposed to clear up, but it hasn't done it. So I haven't been out riding, but I got a new Insta 360 Ace Pro. And waiting for a mic adapter, but the microphone works really good inside. So I'm waiting for a mic adapter, and I bought a couple extra batteries and a charger so I don't have to charge the battery in the camera. So hope everyone's keeping warm, waiting for springtime. I know I'm waiting for springtime. You know, we've had a couple good days in February, and so I got out riding, but it's been cold. We had 17-degree days and rainy, and we had ice. It froze. We had rain, and then it froze, so everything was ice. Puddles on the road were ice. Anyway, talk to you later.